In this video, you'll learn how to convert USDT to ZAR on the OKX app. By following these steps, you will be able to successfully execute a trade and receive your ZAR payment. Begin by opening the OKX app on your mobile device. Ensure that you are logged into your account. If prompted, enter your credentials to access your account. Once the app is open, you will see the main dashboard displaying various options. Next, locate and tap the trade option, which is typically found at the bottom of the screen. This action will redirect you to the trading section of the app. You should now see several trading options available for you to choose from. After that, select P2P trading from the available options. This section is dedicated to peer-to-peer transactions, allowing you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with other users. You will now see a list of available trading pairs and options. Choose the sell option to indicate that you want to sell your USDT for ZAR. A new screen will appear showing various cryptocurrencies available for sale. From here, select USDT and then choose ZAR as the currency you want to receive. Next, you will see a list of potential buyers. It is advisable to pick a buyer with a good rating to ensure a smooth transaction. Review their ratings and feedback before making your selection. Once you have chosen a buyer, enter the amount of USDT you wish to sell in a provided field. After entering the amount, confirm your order. A summary of the transaction will be displayed for your review. Make sure all details are correct before proceeding. Once you confirm the order, you will enter a waiting period while the buyer processes the payment. Once this appears, the buyer will send the ZAR to your designated bank account or e-wallet. It is important to check that you have received the payment before proceeding. Once you verify that the funds are in your account, return to the OKX app. Finally, tap the Release Crypto button to complete the transaction. This action will finalize the trade in your account. Ensure that you keep track of this trade for your records. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.